Good morning, students. Today I am going to show you an example of infix to postfix conversion. So this is my given example, a minus b divided by c. So first step, as I have discussed on last class, so first we have to put a starting bracket and closing bracket of this given expression. Now I'm going to start the conversion. First, the bracket will be pushed into the stack. So the stack element will be bracket. Then again I am getting another starting bracket or opening bracket. So here next opening bracket. So I will again push the opening bracket into this stack. The stack element will be another opening bracket. Now again I am getting A. A is our operand, so directly it will be added into the postfix expression. This is my stack and this is my postfix. So A will be added into the this postfix expression. Now minus. Minus is the operator, it will be added into this. Next, the postfix expression will be same, A. Now B. B is a operand, so B will be added in the postfix expression. Now closing bracket. So as we know, when the closing bracket will be encountered, the stack element will be pop out. So up to this closing bracket, because this closing bracket is for this opening bracket, so the minus will be pop out. So AB minus. Again I am getting division sign. So division sign will be added in this stack. But the postfix expression will be AB minus. Now there is a C. So C is a operand. So C will be added in the postfix expression. Now again I am getting a closing bracket. So closing bracket means we have to pop out all the stack element. So the stack element is only the division part. So everything will be pop out now. FB minus C, division will be come out. So division. So final postfix expression will be AB minus C slash. Okay. So just keep one thing in your mind. First we have to put the starting bracket and closing bracket, whether there is any bracket or not, you have to put. This is the first step. Next we have to check whether the an input element is operator or operand. If it is operand, just add it into the postfix expression, and if it is a operator, then check the already present operator inside the stack is higher than the coming operator or not. And the same time you have to check higher or the equality. If the coming operator is higher or equal than the present operator inside the stack, then you have to pop out the operator from the stack and then add the coming operator inside the stack. So this is the basic funda of the infix to postfix expression. Okay. So this is the final postfix expression of the A minus B minus C infix expression. You can see all the operator just after the operand. So this is the concept of the postfix, where sign will be placed after the variable. So this is the final expression of infix to postfix conversion. Thank you.